go, relax. Let it go. Good. And right now, hold your toes. Hand to look for your toes. Stay. Just bounce for a little bit. Bounce for a little. Stay. Hold, stay. Don't move. Right now, arms straight out. Arms straight out. Head up. Back straight as much as you can. Stay for a moment. Feel your hip muscle. Don't tighten up. Let it go. You only one job. Let it go. Don't hold it. Stay there. Beautiful. Hold. Okay, up. Right now, we do one leg open. And we go forwards. We stay here. Feel your hip, okay? Let it go. Don't hold it tight. Give it a moment. Stay. Stay. And up. Let's try our side. Chin leg, our side. We go forwards. Feel your hip. Let it go, okay? Don't hold it. Don't make it so tight. Give it a moment. Feel it. Let it go. And up. Right now, both leg open. Both leg open. Okay, watch me. Go this way. Okay, we continue work on the hip. Go rolling forwards. And rolling backwards. Feel the stretch. Rolling forwards. And rolling backwards. And one last time. Stay. Head up. Back straight. Feel the stretch. Stay there. Don't move. Hold. Hold there. Let it go. 4 more counts. Hold there. And up. Right now, keep your leg closed. Both leg closed. Lay down on the floor. Okay? And then both leg bend and hold tight. Hold tight to you. Just let it go. Stay. You can cross your foot like that if you want. Okay? Just hold tight. Don't move. Hold tight. Okay? Good. Right now, release one leg straight. Only one leg right now. Just go circle around. Feel your hip relax. Feel the separation. Stay. And right now, straight your knee. Open your arm. And touch. Hold. Stay there. Give 8 counts. Let it go. Don't move. And up. Let's do our side exactly same. Chin leg bent. Relax. Let it go circle first. Relax. Feel the separation. Beautiful. And then you go up. Open arm. We go our side. Touch it. Stay there. Try to make your hip on the floor as much as you can. Feel the twist. Stay there. Don't move. Good. And then up. Both leg up. Both leg up. Right now, we open and close. Open again and close. Right now, make a little bit power and then kick open and up. One more time. Open Give more power. Last time. Open. Right now, hold down. Stay the moment. Let your own weight push down. Open your hip. You don't need to force yet. Stay there. Don't move. Stay. Very good. And right now, close your leg. Okay? And then you push it up. Go back. Stay. For a moment, stay. Stretch your lower back. Stay. Hold. Hold. And up. Right now, we make a real deal. Stand up. We do a circulation stretch. Okay? You gotta make sure stay straight. Okay? Leg open. Your hip have to be on the straight line with your boss line. You're all the way down. Okay? You stay there all the way down. I want 180 degree. Your boss foot and the hip, same line. Just stay there. You have 32 counts hold, longer. Okay? Get ready. We need to count the music. 1, 2. Okay, stay long. Time is everything. Gradually go down. Let it go. Halfway. 16 counts more. 2. Good. Feel the relax, okay? Let it go. Don't against it. Almost. 4 more counts. Push down. Push it down. Finish down. Okay. And then shift out, shift out. Okay, relax. Relax. You have to do one more time. It's 32 counts. Oh, yo. Okay. Heading your arm will be strong. Okay. Okay, everybody get up. 32 counts again. Okay. Don't spoil yourself. Go down. Yes. Keep that straight. 180 degree. 3 point.